Over the next decade, 4.6 million manufacturing jobs will need to be filled throughout the United States, and Bakersfield College is doing our part to inspire students to fill this future skills gap with efficient pathways towards graduation. Manufacturing Day is a national event organized by the Manufacturing Institute and is the biggest annual opportunity to share with the next generation about manufacturing industries and careers in modern manufacturing and technology. This year, Manufacturing Day 2020 was held on Wednesday, October 7th in a virtual format, and students from BC, local high schools, middle schools, and the greater community were invited to participate. The virtual presentations focused on manufacturing-related programs, along with virtual laboratory tours and demonstrations. Additionally, there were local industry employers who participated with virtual information sessions, answering questions, and offering demonstrations of both products and machines related to manufacturing. Participating organizations included Era Energy, Amazon, Chevron, Bolthouse, Phillips 66, and many others. Bakersfield College continues to strive towards providing opportunities for students from diverse economic, cultural, and educational backgrounds to attain associate and baccalaureate degrees and certificates, workplace skills, and preparation for transfer. Our rigorous and supportive learning environment fosters students' abilities to think critically, communicate effectively, and demonstrate competencies and skills in order to engage productively in their communities and the world.